Okay, I'll just show you how to pair a mobile to the Bluetooth audio system in this 2015 Range Rover. So, settings, we want Bluetooth, onto Bluetooth, then we need to be watching out at the bottom. Over to the system, click phone, Land Rover there, that's come up already. So, but I'll do it this way, search for new. Please select search option below. Vehicle to device or device to vehicle. Vehicle to device, if you do that, it usually generates a random PIN code instead of you having to put one in. So that's searching for a phone. Just wait. Barry's iPhone 13 Pro. Click on that. To pair and connect phone, enter 3654 on the handset. 3654. Pair. Allow contacts and favourites to sync. Allow. Phone paired.